I'm at Highgate Road in Woodley today, in the heart of South Lake, very popular part of Woodley, access to great schools, shops and other amenities. This is a 3-bedroom family home in a traffic-free setting. Let's go inside and have a look. So as we walk through the front door, you'll notice we've got a nice tiled floor that runs all the way through to the kitchen. We've got stairs off to my right, kitchen straight ahead and lounge to my left. Looking into the lounge, it's a dual aspect room with a very nice feature fireplace. Large window to front and a look through down to the dining area with sliding patio doors taking you out into the garden. House is very nicely presented throughout. Kitchen, as you'll see, with a range of oak style units, gas hob double oven. Again, view out to garden. This nice tile floor that I mentioned earlier, and plenty of space for all your appliances. Back door to the side, which gives you front to rear access. All very nice condition. Let's take a look upstairs. Okay, so we'll start with the master bedroom, which is very spacious. Again, nice large window giving you plenty of light. You can see out to the front. We're in a traffic-free position. And just off to my right, you'll see there's an area for parking. The property also comes with a garage, which is in a block just short distance from the property. So, good sized bedroom, comfortably accommodates a large wardrobe. And then at the rear of the property is a second double, not quite as big, but still a very good size. The current owner uses the 3rd bedroom as an office, but it would comfortably accommodate a single bed. We do have this bulkhead over the stairs, but I've seen people create a bed above that area or build storage, so it's a very usable room. And then the shower room, which has recently been refitted. We've got a nice large walk-in shower unit, fully tiled with this wood effect flooring and a separate WC just at the top of the stairs. Okay, at the rear of the property you'll see we've got a generous rear garden, mainly laid to lawn. Nice area of paving with a path leading to a further paved area at the rear boundary, where you can also see we've got a garden shed. I mentioned earlier there is front to back access, so the pathway just down the side of the property there. And from here we can see the rear of the property. That concludes today's video. If you'd like further details, please contact the office and we'd be pleased to arrange a viewing for you. Thanks for watching.